straight chains, branched chains, and rings of carbon atoms. Let us compare the structural formulae of methane, ethane, and propane. So these three structures are given to you. Methane, this is ethane, and this is propane. This is CH4, this is C2H6, and this is C3H8. From these structural formulae, it is seen that the carbon atoms lie in the core of the molecule, while the hydrogen atoms bonded to each of the carbon atoms are on the periphery of the molecule. So here we can see that the carbon atoms or atom lie in the core of the molecule. That is, they are lying in the center, in the core of the molecule. You find the carbon atom or atoms, while the hydrogen atoms that are bonded to the carbon atoms are on the periphery. So you can see that there are 4 hydrogen atoms that are bonded to this one carbon atom. So they form the periphery of the molecule. They are present at the periphery. That is the outer part of the molecule. You find the hydrogen atoms. Similarly, here also this carbon has 3 hydrogens that are attached. 3 hydrogens are attached to this carbon also. So they are present on the surroundings or the periphery, outer part of the molecule. Here also we find the same thing. Carbon atoms are in the core and hydrogen are on the outer side. The mutually bonded carbon atoms in the core are like the skeleton of the molecule. The carbon skeleton determines the shape of the molecule of a carbon compound. So earlier also we have seen that whenever you are making any structure of a carbon compound, you have to first draw the carbon skeleton. So you have to draw first the mutually bonded carbon atoms that are in the core, and then you will distribute the hydrogen atoms. A straight chain of carbon atoms is formed by joining carbon atoms next to each other. So here in straight chain you will find that the carbon atoms are formed by joining other carbon atoms, and they are just kept next to each other in one straight line. The carbon atoms are arranged, and that forms the straight chain of carbon atoms. Here in this formula you can see branched chain. You can see that there are 3 carbon atoms which are in one straight line, but here one carbon atom has been attached to carbon atom number 2. So this is a branched chain of carbon. So these are the 2 types, that is straight chain and branched chain. Let us now study about the rings of carbon atoms. Apart from straight chains and branched chains, closed chains of carbon atoms are present in some carbon compounds, wherein rings of carbon atoms are formed. For example, the molecular formula of cyclohexane is C6H12, and its structural formula contains a ring of 6 carbon atoms. So here we have a structure of cyclohexane. This is the carbon ring. The carbon ring has been shown here. It's in the hexagonal form. Here you can see that there are 6 carbon atoms, but they are neither in straight line nor they are branched, but they are in a cyclic form, closed structure, or a ring has been formed. Now to these 6 carbon atoms we have to attach 12 hydrogen. So here you find that to each carbon 2 hydrogen atoms are attached. Carbon has tetravalency, so you can see that carbon has shared 1 electron with this hydrogen, 1 with this one, and the other 2 electrons are shared by these 2 carbon atoms. So 1 electron with this and the second one with this. So in all 4 electrons, 1 electron it is sharing with this hydrogen, 1 with this hydrogen, third electron with this carbon, and fourth electron with this carbon. So likewise, to each carbon atom, 2 hydrogen atoms have been attached, and you get the formula C6H12. So this is the cyclic or ring or closed structure for carbon. This is an activity taken up from 118 page of your textbook, and here they have given the straight chain of carbon atoms starting from 1 to 10. Structural formula, first one they have done for you, it is methane, formula is CH4. So likewise, you have to prepare the structural formula and molecular formula. One example has been done again. This is ethane. Molecular formula is C2H6. And the structure you have to draw. It comprises of a straight chain of 2 carbon atoms. And the 6 hydrogen atoms have been distributed. So structural and molecular formulas of the first 5 members of the alkane series we have already done, so you can take reference from there also if you have any doubt, and accordingly you have to do this activity and you have to prepare the structural formula and the molecular formula you have to write down. So with this we come to the end of today's session, and tomorrow we shall resume back. Thank you.